Here are three websites where you can make a lot of money from doing simple tasks. A lot of people are not talking about them. In the first website, you get paid up to $700 for participating in research projects and sharing your knowledge and experience. It doesn't matter your profession because there's something for everyone here. So long as you have an experience, you're an expert in something, you can see various amount of money you can make per hour depending on your expertise. In the second website, you make money answering simple homework questions and even selling your lesson note. You know those your past lecture notes you took while you were in the university? There are a lot of students out there who need that resource material. They want to use it to prepare for their own exams. Willing to pay you to have access to that past lesson notes. The third website will pay you for testing website usability. There are a lot of companies who want you to go through their website, navigate their website and see how user-friendly it is, and you get them feedback. You get paid for doing that. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chiamaka. On this channel we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if you're looking for videos on how you can make money from the comfort of your home, you're onto the right channel, you are watching the right video. And in today's video I want to show you three websites where you can make easy money from, a reasonable amount of money for yourself, doing basic things you normally do on a daily basis. With this website you start getting paid for doing them. So if you are new here, please connect with me by subscribing to the channel. I would like to be your friend. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. Thank you for stopping by again. With that said, let's dive in. First website is a research project. This is a platform where people, companies and organizations that want to carry out a research come to meet respondents. So on this website, you sign up as a respondent where you partake in a research project and share your knowledge and expertise with the researcher. You get paid for that. So this is the first website. The name is Respondent. It says get paid to share your knowledge and experience. This platform is the best place to leverage your professional expertise for paid user research. Like I said, companies, businesses that are carrying out research on a particular product or service of theirs come over here and pay you to join the research and respond to their research questions. Now, you can see how much you can potentially make per hour for joining any of the projects. There are 4 steps involved in doing this. The first step, you create an account and verify your profile. In the second step, you get matched. The matching algorithm will send you a research studies based on your professional experience. The third step is to apply to projects. You need to answer a few online screening questions to help researchers know you are a fit for the project. And the fourth step is to participate and get paid. Researchers select and invite participants who are qualified for that project. After you finish the project, you get paid via PayPal. Next is resources for research respondents. Now, this is something I love about this website. If you are starting out, you need a lot of help, and here are resources. This is actually going to help you strengthen your participant profile. It's going to show you 6 powerful ways to strengthen your respondent profile and get invited for more research projects. The second resource material will show you how to improve your side hustle income. And this one here will show you why you should verify your work email. Now, there are 2 ways of earning money from this platform. First is to do the work and get paid for participating in the project. The second is to earn money by referring friends and colleagues. With this, when people sign up using your link, anytime they take a paid task, you get paid a percentage of their earnings. To sign up, all you need is click on this button that says Get Started. Once it opens, you are going to select the type of account you want to create. Now, because we want to make money, we are going to click on this. So once it opens, it says Create a new participant account, get paid for sharing valuable insights and help shape world-class products. So you just need to move on, put your name, your email address, and you click on create account. Okay, once you're done supplying the information, click on create account. Once it opens, go on and supply the remaining information here. This will help update your profile and make it easy to be hired. Once your account is verified, you have access to a pool of available jobs you can go on to apply for. Isn't this an easy way of making money? You basically share your knowledge and experience and you get paid for doing However, that. You know you need to qualify for you to be selected. So how often you get tasked here depends on your profession as well as the level of experience you have, because you need to submit your application, and the researcher goes through your profile to see that your profile matches what they are looking for, and then you will be shortlisted for the research. The second website is my favorite, and that's because to me it's like getting paid for doing nothing. Now look at this. Someone selling his old lecture notes. Here is an opportunity to upload your old lesson notes, your lecture notes, those resource materials we used while we are in the university. You upload it here and you have thousands of students from all over the world access these notes, and you get paid each time a student accesses it. The name of this website is studypool.com.
So here's the second website, the website that will pay you for answering homework questions and selling your old lecture notes. Over here, you need to create account as a tutor. On this platform, students ask specific questions. As a tutor, you respond to those questions and you get paid. Okay? As you can see, all subjects are covered here. All you need is go for the one that you are good at. Get the questions, respond to them. If the answers are correct, you get paid the exact amount of money stated. All you need is to create account as a tutor, and to do that, click on this button that says become a tutor, and it's going to open for you to create account for yourself. So you see, it says earn money answering homework questions. This is the amount of money you can potentially earn per month for doing that. Click on the button that says apply now, and you are going to supply the basic details and you create your free account. So look at recent questions. Now you can see the amount of money you can make per question you answer on this platform, and these are highest earners. Someone earned $92,000, $90,000, $77,000 from answering questions. In case you're wondering if your country is eligible to join this platform, look at this. These are popular tutor countries where tutors are coming from. And the second way of making money on this platform is to sell your document. To do that, click on this button here. So you can see what it says. It says earn money by selling your study document. For a guide on how to apply and tips that will help you get a lot of eyeballs on your document, I created this video here.
So here's the video, and I will leave the link in the description of this video so you can access it and learn a whole lot of tricks that will help you get a lot of eyeballs on your documents. Now, are you getting value from this? Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you've not. Now let's move on to website number 3.
This is the third website on my list, and this website will pay you for testing usability of website as well as other people's product and services. People come over here and pay you to help them go through their offer and see how good it is, how easy it is to navigate, and you get paid for sharing your opinion. Now, this is how it works. You apply for it. Once you're done with the task, you get rewarded for doing so. So you get paid for your perspective. These are testimonials. So these are testimonials from people who have been using this platform to earn money. You can see a whole lot of them. So to join, all you need is click on this button that says get started today. Supply your email right here. Tick this box that said I've read and agree with the terms of use, and then click on get started to go on and create your own account. The link to sign up on this platform is contained in the description.
So these 3 websites are definitely going to make you money if you follow the guide, sign up today and start taking action. I do hope you got value from this. Remember to share the video with your family and friends. There's someone on your list who needs to see this to learn various easy ways of making money online. See you in my next video. Bye.